Alright, I'm making this video to show you, I don't even know, but yeah, whatever. See that? That's a mini fridge. I bought that yesterday. The 14th, I believe. Now today, the 15th, I went out and bought some things. What kind of things, you ask? I wanted an amp, but I couldn't find a fucking box, so Monster will be due. I bought a 4-pack of Red Bull and some Kool-Aid. Oh yeah. Now, let's open up door number 1. Ooh, ooh la la. What we got here? Got some water in the back. Monster in the middle, Red Bull in the front, some Kool-Aid, some more Monster, and some more Kool-Aid. Oh yeah, and a 5-hour energy. Oh no, I just had that, so I just put it in there. And yeah, and that's basically what I bought. Peace.